I like India as a concept.
Okay. Like
Don't-
India as a concept.
Don't necessarily like it as a country I want to be living in.
Okay.
Yeah, that's that.
Can you edit this? I don't want to get
I'm not a corporate monkey.
You're not a corporate monkey. Okay, fantastic.
उधर जाके क्या करेगा साहब? इधर कैसा भी हम जी सक इधर हम कैसा भी जीना सकते हैं, उधर जाके क्या करेगा साहब? मिडिल क्लास पीपल में क्या आएगा? हम इधर ही कैसा भी जी रहेगा, ये नहीं तो दूसरा नहीं तो दूसरा, उधर जाके बाहर जगह में क्या करेगा?
Basically, like, who are you?
Me?
Describe yourself in like 3 words.
3 words. A trainer, a businessman, and a visionary. That's it.
Okay. Can you describe yourself in 1 sentence?
I don't like people a lot.
Okay, so Rida is someone who doesn't like you. How about you? A little scared.
No, I like you all, it's fine.
Okay.
I really like my hair. That's my entire personality.
Nisha likes.
I might say I'm a good player, and yeah,
What do you mean by player?
that means
We both dance. We're in a dance crew.
So what are you doing here in the middle of the road?
Just watching all these humans.
Okay, watching the humans. And what are you, man?
I'm a ape.
You're an ape.
Yeah.
Humans are not apes?
Yeah, but they are with the smartphone ones. I don't like them.
You're not the smartphone wala ape.
I'm the smart one.
Oh, you're not the smartphone ape, you're the smart ape.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm the most human unhuman.
You're the most human unhuman.
My Instagram bio has my pronouns. It says I'm an intersectional feminist
Okay.
and that I will ruin all media for you.
Ruin all media for you.
Yeah.
I'm getting super scared now.
Like I overanalyze it and then make you regret watching whatever you watched if you enjoyed it. It's a buzzkill, but I do it.
My Instagram bio says Vichitra Prani.
Vijitra Prani. And what is Vijitra Prani?
That basically means like a strange creature or like weird creature.
Yeah, this emoji that goes like this.
the one in which the person is like that one, so like this, like a person is about to cry. It's
the eye roll emoji. Can you guys do that? Okay.
Yeah. The knife emoji. What? Actually, I would say the black heart.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's also interesting. Why the knife and the black emoji?
Because I like the dark and like dark vibes.
The ape one.
Oh, okay, yeah. That makes
I
sense.
think this one.
Okay, why that? Why not the mouse?
We should not keep quiet, guys. Speak up. Have a voice. That's why now this one. But don't hear to bullshit. That's why this one.
Okay, got it.
That's hard. Oh my god, this is pressure. Okay. Wait, you have to give me time. Like, I need some time.
It's a rapid fire.
Oh my god.
Come on. In just 1 sentence will describe you. And
Okay, but I'm getting anxious because you're telling it's a rapid fire. Okay. I don't know. Good at leadership.
Whatever you do, just don't try to human me.
no, what are you putting?
Yeah.
I'm letting you. On your CV, what is it?
Yeah. It's written, whatever you do, don't try to human me.
Oh, that's your CV.
Yeah.
Okay, on the bio it's written, whatever you do, don't. So you're talking, the company shouldn't try to human you.
I'm not a corporate monkey.
You're not a corporate monkey. Okay, fantastic.
Yeah.
On LinkedIn. You guys use LinkedIn?
I don't.
LinkedIn to go.
No. I have Tinder.
Yeah. Okay, interesting. Why not?
We're not adult enough.
Yeah, I think I'd put up something related to content writing and how I can help them, how we can mutually help each other grow as writers or something. I don't know, pretty lame.
I'm from Christ, and there's like this thing they've drilled into my head that holistic development. So I'd be like, I'm looking for holistic development and all-round growth.
Oh, okay. You're a
think.
content writer, right? Write the content.
Oh,
Chalo, jaldi.
I'm
We will have a
thinking.
copywriter.
okay, wait. In this grave lies someone who should have been dead long before, but like in a fun way.
I was gonna say that.
Oh, now come up with something quicker.
Can I be someone great? Like it's fictional, right? Oh, then I want to be remembered as the
It's a pity no one's, Christ hasn't told you that you couldn't be anyone you want.
Christ doesn't tell me a lot of things because I don't pay attention.
Indian parents are not very open-minded. Yeah, like they don't they don't they are not that open-minded, and they don't allow their kids to follow their passion.
Things that we need to overcome as a society, like the misogyny, patriarchy, the blatant colorism, and there's just a lot of issues that puts people down, like this casteism, classism. So if we overcome that as a community and celebrate each other, I think we'll be a wonderful country.
How many small businessmen are celebrated? But every other small Instagram is celebrated. People, only apart from cricket, politics, and Bollywood, there's nothing really like. Do you see a celebrity doctor?
Study a lot, do this, but you never see someone who's like a great dancer, like have that much same respect as the other doctors or the lawyers would have. So I feel like that way, I feel like it would have been a little better. If you just like, as growing up, I really wanted to like sing and dance and everything.
Also, bro, in outside, whatever job you've done, you'll get respect. But in India, if you do cleanliness job, they'll treat you like a slave.
You just can't, do what you love publicly. People, society pressure, family pride. Why is that a thing when you're doing, not harming anyone, but you're just doing what you love?
I would personally start treating the sons and daughters the same at home. So yeah, instead of only teaching the daughters stuff, I would tell the sons stuff too. Like, yeah, I do.
They want their kids to be some, because it's stereotyped, and they are also programmed actually. They're also programmed. We are actually victims of the victim. It is our generation. We need to take a stand. We need to speak up. We need to speak, we need to speak for ourselves. And that's the only way we can change. We can bring the transformation, and we should do it.
When it comes to older generation, they're not telling we won't support you to do that. But when it comes to a thing like professionalism, they don't see dance as a profession.
They'll be like, we support you in your life, we do all of that. But when you actually need the support, they're like, not this. This doesn't count.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's always that, like, do this. I mean, you can dance, you can keep it as a hobby, but don't make that your mainstream profession.
I'm actually studying psychology, sociology, and English, which traditionally won't pay you much. So I've had these thoughts like, do I want a job that pays me well, or do I want to do something that I dream of doing? So even in the majors that I'm doing, there's a hierarchy. So they think psychology is better off because more people think, it's like a doctor position end of the day. But then with sociology and English, they're like, they don't even mention it to my relatives. They're like, she's studying psychology. But then I'm leaning more towards English now. So it's again, but so.
I think it depends on what your dreams are, because I am as of now conflicted between going to law school or doing liberal arts. I know if I pick law school, I'll technically fulfill my dreams as a lawyer, but liberal arts is still.
Your dream or is it parents' dream?
It's not my parents' dream, but I'm still conflicted. I'm good at both, so I have no idea where I want to go. Although I'm leaning towards liberal arts, but liberal arts is still an evolving space in India, and you need to work really hard and know people and build contacts on your own, unlike law. So if I did pick that would be a hard.
Probably India.
Yeah, India wouldn't.
Change. Like, I really want to see more girls just not being afraid of who they are. I know this sounds very preachy and feministy, but then it's just something I really want. And it's just sad to know that a lot of people are not given the opportunities that I have been given. So hopefully someday, and I want to live and see that.
I think we have a lot of Indians who have made it really big. It's not that opportunities were given to them. It's available. It's out on the
What I'm
street.
saying is, in comparison to the rest of the world.
Depends on what. We have a lot of population. We have a lot of everything. Everything is underutilized. Lot of people this apes age are making TikToks while they should be working. It's there. It's all available. Just the people need to shift their focus. No one gives opportunities. There are a lot of opportunities available. People who take them.
It's very cliche, but yeah, we are a part of the change. If everyone just throws their hands up and just gives up on the country, we are going to ultimately be, cribbing about the fact that.
To suffer for a bigger cause.
I wouldn't say it's suffer. I wouldn't say every country has its ups and downs. It's just that our negatives are highlighted a lot in the media, and it's our duty to make sure that the positives come to the forefront and outweigh that. I think that's on us. And if we don't do it, then we don't have the right to crib about the country.
आपको इंडिया अच्छा लगता है?
बहुत अच्छा दिखता है साहब, वो मेरा कंट्री है ना।
सबको इंडिया अच्छा लगता है?
मेरा तो सब तो अच्छा दिखता है साहब।
क्योंकि आजकल हमारे ज़माने में छोटे छोटे लोगों को इंडिया रहने में अच्छा नहीं लगता, उनको बाहर जाने को लगता है अच्छा नहीं।
हम लोग लोकल आदमी हैं, हम लोग मिडिल क्लास फैमिली है ना, हम लोग का हमारे देश में अच्छा दिखता है।
ऐसे क्यों? अगर हम ऐसे करेगा, हम भी छोटा मिडिल क्लास लोग हैं, लेकिन एक दिन ये सोच लो लॉटरी टिकट लिया और लॉटरी टिकट में 1 करोड़ रुपए आ गया और हमको अरे किधर भी दुनिया में कहीं भी जा लो, ओके, जो भी आपका दोस्त फैमिली सब कुछ है, लेकिन आप कहीं भी जा सकते हैं।
मेरे को ये 1 करोड़ पैसा है तो हम किधर भी नहीं जाएगा। हमारे गांव में जाके वो चावल बनाता ना, ऐसा भूमि क्या बोलता है, जमीन लेके उधर ही हम चावल शुगर वो बना के आराम से जीवन करेगा भैया।
इंडिया को बेटर करेगा
भाई यार, मेरा कंट्री तो मेरा।
सेम
Same to you.
बाहर नहीं जाएगा आपको
2 करोड़ दिए तो भी बाहर नहीं जाएगा भैया, हम इधर ही रहेगा।
और वो बोल रहे 1 लाख मिलेगा तो जाएगा।
एक में उधर जाके क्या करेगा साहब, इधर कैसा भी हम इधर हम कैसा भी जीना सकते हैं, उधर जाके क्या करेगा साहब। मिडिल क्लास पीपल में क्या आएगा, हम इधर ही कैसा भी जी रहेगा, ये नहीं है तो दूसरा नहीं तो दूसरा, उधर जाके बाहर जगह में क्या करेगा, दूसरा आदमी लोग के पास बिक पाएगा क्या, इधर ही हम क्या करें?
ये प्रॉब्लम है कि इधर ना अगर हम कुछ करेगा तो कितना सैलरी मिलता है, 1,000 2,000 ऐसे, लेकिन बाहर जाएगा तो छोटा काम करने से भी ज़्यादा पैसा मिलता है।
ज़्यादा पैसे लेके
सर बाहर कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा, वहाँ का 1000 रुपीज़
इधर आके क्या करेगा, बाहर जाके पैसा कमा के।
बाहर में
देखिए भैया, अभी हमें यंगस्टर करके बोलो, अभी मेरा 35 ईयर्स है, बाहर जाके इधर आने का तो 50 होता है, बुढ़ा होने के बाद क्या करेगा, पैसा लेके खाएगा क्या? अभी एंटरटेनमेंट है, इधर काम करेगा, पैसा कमाएगा, एंजॉय करेगा, सब कुछ करता है इधर।
आप सब कुछ खुश है,
सब इधर ही खुश है हम। इधर जाके उधर जाके पैसा कमा के बुढ़ा होने के बाद इधर आके क्या करना?
अगर आप थोड़ा और जवान था
नहीं, हम कभी भी हम इंडिया में रहता, इंडिया से नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं जाए।